In this tutorial, I'll show you how to glitter text effect in Canva Typography. We'll be using the Font Frame app inside Canva, which is one of the easiest ways to turn any text into shiny glitter lettering. Just follow along on your screen and pause whenever you need. First, you want to have a design open in Canva. This can be any size you like, such as an Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, or a simple custom size. Once your blank canvas is ready, we'll start by finding a glitter background. On the left-hand side, look for the Elements tab, click on Elements to open it. In the search bar at the top of Elements, type in something like gold glitter, pink glitter, or any glitter texture you want. You can also try words like sparkle, glitter texture, or glitter background to get more options. Now scroll through the results and pick a glitter image or texture that you like. Try to choose one that has a nice even pattern so it looks good inside the text. When you see one you like, click it once. Canva will automatically add it to your design canvas in the middle. With that glitter image now on your canvas, make sure it is selected. You should see a border or handles around the image when it's selected. The next step is to open the Font Frame app. At the top or on the left side of Canva, look for the Apps tab. If you're on desktop, you'll usually see Apps in the main left menu. If you're on mobile, you might need to tap on Edit Photo first with the glitter image selected, and then look for apps from there. Once you're in the Apps section, use the search bar to type Font Frame. When the Font Frame app appears, click on it to open. Give it a second to load. From here, Canva connects your selected image to the Font Frame app, so it's important that your glitter image is still selected on the canvas before you move on. Now in the Font Frame panel, you should see an option that uses your currently selected image. Make sure the glitter image is selected on your canvas. Then in the Font Frame panel, click the button that says Use Selected Image. This tells the app to use your glitter texture as the fill for your text. After you click it, the panel will update and you'll see controls to start creating your glitter text. Next, you'll type your text. In the Font Frame interface, you should see a text box where you can enter the word or phrase you want. Type in your desired text, for example, glitter, sale, or anything that fits your design. As you type, the preview will show your letters filled with the glitter texture you chose. From here, you can adjust the font style to match your design. Use the font dropdown inside the Font Frame app to browse through different fonts. Try bold display fonts for big titles or script fonts if you want a more elegant glitter look. You can also adjust spacing, such as letter spacing and line spacing, to tighten or loosen the text. Some versions of Font Frame also let you add borders or outlines. You can use this to make your glitter text stand out more against the background. Choose a border color that contrasts with your design and adjust the thickness until it looks clean and readable. Take a moment to tweak these settings until your glitter text looks exactly how you want. Remember, you can always come back and try a different glitter image or a different font if it doesn't look right at first. When you're happy with the preview, you're ready to send it back to your main design. Now it's time to add the glitter text to your design. Inside the Font Frame panel, click the button that adds or inserts the glitter text into your canvas. Canva will create it as an element on your design. Once it appears on your canvas, you can drag it to position it where you want, resize it by pulling the corners, and rotate it if needed. You can layer it over photos, place it in the center as a title, or combine it with other elements. From here, you can continue designing as normal, adding backgrounds, extra text, icons, or images around your glitter text. When you're finished, export or download your design in your preferred format. That's all you need to create a glitter text effect in Canva Typography using the Font Frame app and a glitter background.